Okay, I think he was brought on the 31st of August. I think that was Saturday, by the police and the government doctors. Because legally the dog has to be confiscated while the court case is going. I think so. I'm not an expert, but they had driving around the whole morning. Nobody wanted to take the dog, so they said, "Please, if you can take." So we have this space, especially for rescued dogs. So this whole space up to there, we kept for him, and he was a little bit not so happy, diarrhea, vomiting, but he was okay. He was sleeping there nicely. He was okay. He was not like thin or anything, but it was not eating, vomiting, diarrhea. But then he didn't eat anything, wasn't drinking water. So we gave some medicine, Cutwell injections, and on-dam syrup. And he was okay. He had one small piece of chicken, but then he didn't eat. He didn't want to eat. Yeah, I think he was very stressed out. We've done the government has done a post-mortem autopsy. The results will take some time. That night we found him, in the morning, sorry, we found him dead in the cave. At night we gave some food, he didn't eat too much. No, they did a post-mortem here on the table. Yeah, because this is a nice area. Government vet was there. I think three government doctors were there. Police was sitting there supervising from Anjuna, I think he was. Yeah, because the police has to. So it was done very, very professionally.